Ladies, follow instructions. Then put your and poke your. Let's sit up. Sit up, my God. Sit up. Sit up. You need to sit up. Sit up, my God. Sit up. Sit up. Sit up. Sit up. Sit up. Sit up. Sit up, my God. Sit up. Sit up. I ain't gonna lie. This is when you get ready, and your mind getting ready for Miami. Stoneface choose to be skinny. My choice.
Remember me love you like a nice baby cubby, and you end up your bun me for chicken and chubby. Tell me you love me and me feel your hobby and me see you in a breath.
I'm sure my DNA, it's alright.
But if she want you just to hurt herself, me not worry myself. From me not back when the back punch shell. Me not worry myself. From me up help me nothing but well. Me not worry myself.
One thing I know about Face Squad, we're not lazy, we're not big people, listen. If you have your own things right now, let's go people, let's go.
Yeah, lazy body no want a lazy body. 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 Girl wind up like a crazy funny. Girl I do the car tracking on the road alley. Watch out that girl lay a wine for funny. Girl do the muscle wine and brace your body. Bring it up in the air, everything wrong.
Ladies, there's no time to be boring and lazy when it comes to pleasing your man.
Me no want to stop, girl.
No exceptions, listen why.
You don't want no girl sit down when you sit down, you get lazy. Stand up and bend over that thing where that makes me stand up. Bend over, stand up, bend over, stand up, bend over, stand up, bend over. You don't want no girl sit down when you sit down.
Listen, when it comes to pleasing your man, ladies, there's no exceptions. If you want you to get up, you get up and do it. That one there, sample.
Hey, baby, you don't want no girl sit down when you sit down, you get lazy. Stand up.
You ever see a girl do
Well, that makes me stand up.
the one drop?
Stand up, bend over.
That dance there, it's kind of nice and kind of weird at the same time.
Girl sit down when you sit down, you get lazy. Stand up.
That's what it is. It's an African dance.
Stand up, bend over.
That's exactly what it look like.
Stand up, alright.
Touch your uncle, give me a little sample. Touch your uncle, give me a little sample. Touch your uncle, give me a little sample.
You ever see a girl with no bam bam trying to do the one drop?
Give me a little sample. Touch your
On her
uncle,
pants and just a shake, nothing else not shake.
give me a little sample. The time it comes 6:30.
You know, when the girl you don't want it, you never got it out here. You never roll out,
She try real hard though. She look like Miley. Listen, we going to Aruba. We going to the Virgin Islands. Yes, sir. This place is called so. Let me tell you why. International. Any dance you see where you see Kareem Stoneface partnership.
Watch Gala wine, watch Gala bubble, watch Gala broke out and get in a trouble. Select up the big tune, them a juggle. Gala vibe over, down on speaker.
You might not can identify us. Kareem and the fat youth.
Turn up the bass.
Stoneface, aka Bounty Killer, look alike. And the Father Snake. Let me tell you something right now, ladies. This one for you, ladies. Listen. Put the thing down there. Put the thing down there.
This one is for you. I'm coming proud of you. This one is for you.
Ladies, this one's for you. It's yours, you own it.
This one is for you.
You don't even have to pay rent for it. Because it's yours. I want you to dash it out right now. Dash it out.
Can wine and walk out.
It's yours. Some girl can spin the road. Spin the road, baby love. Spin the road.
Girl, I don't go like what, picking it, this what, picking it, push it up, doing it, man,